Good morning. It's been a while since I did a video about this place, about the build, about what I'm building and doing out here. My name's Stu. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Basically in the spring, probably around April-ish or May, I did a video showing my plans were in the area I was planning to do it. I'll show you a couple pictures here showing what it looked like before. As you can see, there wasn't very much done. It was pretty brushy and yeah, there wasn't very much done. But now, this is the trail walking out. I'll show you the cool spot before. For a while I had the motorhome parked right here, but as you can see that has moved over down back this way. Driveway. I got a little bit of a garden started this year. Not the greatest, obviously. You can see we got some cucumbers and some carrots. Over here we got some tomatoes and a pepper plant. The pepper plant's starting to actually sprout up, so that's kind of cool. Lettuce over here, which isn't doing too great yet. Yeah. And the motorhome, which I spent the winter living in, is right there. But now what everybody wants to see, the actual fun part, there is the cabin that we've been working on. Just show you some of the pictures from the build along the way. I posted a lot of them in Discord, but there might be some that you missed or didn't see, so here's some pictures of the build along the way. So yeah, me and my dad built this. We worked on it for I don't know exactly the time frame, but up top I got a solar motion detector light for now. So I got some light in the front doors and it doesn't use any power. The cabin is 12 by 16. It's not finished yet, obviously, as you can tell, but we're getting there. And it's definitely kind of messy because it's forest fire season here, so I haven't burnt any of these wood scraps or anything like that yet because it's just not a good idea to have a fire at this time of year. But I laid down some gravel. My neighbor gave it to me. A lot of this stuff wouldn't have been able to get done if it wasn't for the people that have helped, including my dad, who did tons of stuff. Our wonderful neighbor up the street donated basically the whole floor and all the studs. He had a bunch of rough cut studs, and that pretty much was all the wood we needed to frame all the walls and everything. I just had to buy most of the OSB and stuff, which the viewers on my stream have been very, very, very helpful with. Some greatly have helped with it, so thank them very much. Yeah, my sister, and I got the doorknob and shit from my sister. Got one of the windows from my sister. Yeah, like it's been pretty awesome, the help that I've got. But yeah, let's take a look. Mind you, it's super messy, but that's okay. So you walk in, like I said, it's super messy because I haven't finished building in here what I need to do, so everything's just kind of in temporary spots. Got a bed right there. That back window was donated from my sister and her boyfriend, which is super nice of them. I'm very appreciative. Bed, got that. That's my computer area where I stream and do all my editing and whatnot. And then I have a TV wall mounted there. An old fridge that I got a good deal on from a friend. PS5, the fan. It's very necessary because it gets 1,000,000 degrees in here. Over here, this is going to be like a bit of a kitchen area. I'm going to build like kind of like an L kitchen. It's going to come out like that and then come out a little bit. Then I'll have a sink and a cook stove and stuff in there. And yeah, and then the roof is all well done. It's all done very properly. Right now the roof just has poly on it so it doesn't leak until I buy some peel and stick to put on it, which will be next. But the next thing we need to do is insulation. So I need to drill the area out for the wiring because we're gonna wire it too. Right now it's just not wired. There won't be running water. I use that down there with the pump on it. That's gonna be the water. There won't be running water and there won't be sewer, But luckily I'm only about 200 feet away from my parents' house on their property, so that's where I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Yeah, the floor is all done well. There's lots of plans, lots of things that I want to do, but everything depends on the almighty dollar and working our way through that. Yeah, it's very nice. Little blind, door shuts all properly and stuff. Everything's, yeah, it's coming along really awesome, and I'm super happy about it. Super thankful for all the people that have helped. Like I said, like with the dad's neighbor donating the studs and stuff, that helped greatly. I probably wouldn't be halfway as far as I am without that, so that was pretty awesome. And yeah, garden, you know, I have plans eventually, but probably won't get done this year because you can only do so much a year. I hope to make like a little nice fire pit area here and do some more things down the road, but everything takes time. Everything takes time. I just wanted to do a quick little update video and kind of show you guys where I'm at, and yeah, this is where I'm at. So I hope to be getting out doing some fishing here soon. I think actually tomorrow me and Dad are going out fishing, so that'll be fun. But yeah, if anybody has any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I always do. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Catch you later.